Welcome to Burlap Teachers. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show how to make macaroni salad with apple. This delightful dish is perfect for any occasion, offering a wonderful balance of sweet and savory. We will start by gathering our key ingredients, including 8 ounces of elbow macaroni, 2 crisp apples, and 2 stalks of celery. For the creamy dressing, you will need 1 cup of mayonnaise, 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar, and 1 tablespoon of sugar. A dash of Dijon mustard and salt will complete our flavor profile. First, cook 8 ounces of elbow macaroni according to package directions until it is perfectly al dente. Once cooked, drain and rinse it with cold water to stop the cooking process, then set it aside to cool completely. Next, take 2 medium-sized apples and dice them into small, bite-sized pieces. For a refreshing crunch, finely chop 2 stalks of celery. Remember, all these components should be cool before combining them for the best texture. Now let's create the star of our salad, the creamy dressing. In a medium-sized bowl, combine 1 cup of your favorite mayonnaise. To add a delightful tang, pour in 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar. For a touch of sweetness that balances the flavors, stir in 1 tablespoon of granulated sugar. Finally, incorporate 1 teaspoon of Dijon mustard and a half teaspoon of salt, mixing everything until it is smooth and well combined. With all your components ready, it is time to assemble this delicious macaroni salad. In a large mixing bowl, gently combine the cooled elbow macaroni, diced apples, and chopped celery. Next, pour the creamy dressing you just prepared evenly over the entire mixture. Stir everything thoroughly until all the ingredients are beautifully coated. For the best flavor and texture, cover the bowl and chill the salad in the refrigerator for at least 1 hour before serving. Enjoy!
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if this video helped you.